Hello, everybody. Welcome to an episode on full final expense life insurance for seniors for $2 per day. So, a couple things real quick. Final expense is whole life insurance, ideal for burial insurance policies, ideal for seniors. And the reason why is because it's a life insurance policy that never expires, there's no medical exam, the price is locked for life, and it builds cash value over time. So if you're on the older side, that's going to be less of a benefit. But if you're in your 50s or if you're in your 60s, then that cash value could end up being helpful to you and your family. Now, we only pull from A-rated life insurance companies, and that is the rating that you want in your life insurance company. We run across a lot of clients who have B-rated or C-rated life insurance. And so it's part of the educational process to kind of say, okay, look, your company, and you can look it up right here. You go Google this, Google their rating, don't take our word for it. And it turns out they have a B or C rated company or worse. And what that means is that they're with a life insurance company that's not financially solvent. And there are some other issues as well, major issues. So A rating, very, very important. Also, as long as you qualify for immediate life insurance coverage, then all of our policies have living benefits as well. And that is surprisingly important. It's really sad, but we hear from our clients who get diagnosed. We set them up with a life insurance policy, and then they get diagnosed with a terminal condition or a chronic or critical condition. There are a lot of different diagnoses that fall within these categories. And if you have policies like ours, you get these conditions and you send a doctor's letter into your insurance company and they send you your policy amount and then the policy ends. And that's called a living benefit. There are also companies that give you huge discounts on prescription medicines, dental, eyewear, hearing aid batteries, even lawyer fees, things like that. Those are all called living benefits. And they're very important. And it doesn't have to just be a life insurance policy with just a death benefit. These are surprisingly common, these living benefits, especially if you're looking at A-rated companies, but they don't all offer them. And it doesn't have to cost you anymore. There are exceptional companies that give just phenomenal rates, and they have tremendous customer service, and they're reliable, and they've got strong reviews, and they have these living benefits built right in. And that's part of the reason why they're so good. So ask about those. It's very, very important. Now, the last part of this video is for $2 per day. Let's talk about that really quickly. So what does that mean? Obviously, we know what $2 per day means, but for how much coverage? We get contacted often where people are in their 70s and they say, I want $40,000 whole life insurance coverage, and you said $2 per day. Well, please understand, the pricing is not up to us. The pricing is up to the life insurance companies. And so when we say $2 per day for life insurance, for final expense policy, we're talking about what people typically want in their life insurance policy. Most people want to be cremated, not buried. Cremation's a lot cheaper. So if you're in your 70s, just as an example, or in your 80s, you're going to be looking at a $5,000 to $10,000 policy if you need to stay at that $2 per day figure. However, if you are younger, you can look up to over $20,000. And it depends upon your health, it depends upon your age, it depends upon your gender. And the reason why I say that, this is in most states, there is a difference in price between men and women. Women statistically live longer than men, so men are charged more. Not in all states, it depends on your state. But in most states, that is the case. So just be aware of that. So reach out to us, get a specific quote. We would love to help you. We'd love to get to know you, answer your questions, address your concerns, see what we could do to help you out. I hope this has been helpful. Take care.